I was never meant to beg or wait or quietly accept. I remember where I come from, I remember what I am, connected to the source of life, aligned with higher command. I do not live in separation, I do not stand apart. The same intelligence that creates moves through my heart. I am entitled to the best of life because I am aligned within. The power that creates all things moves me and through my thinking. I rise beyond limitation, I claim what matches who I am. Unified with the universe, all mine, I receive with open hands. No portion is assigned to me by fear or borrowed belief. I choose expansion consciously and step into relief. Original substance responds to me as I align with truth. What I accept becomes my world, and now I choose my proof. Entitled to the best of life because I am alive. Moves me and through my thinking. I rise beyond limitation, I claim what matches who I am. Unified with the universe, all mine, I receive with open hands. I know who I am, I know my place. Creation moves through my awareness.